If you need a CRM that literally lets you call, text, and email directly from the platform so your reps don't have to juggle apps, you've probably encountered Close CRM. But is its premium price tag actually justified? Let's dive in and find out. Close is built around one big idea: make sales actions faster and smarter by putting everything from pipeline to calling to automation into one workspace. In this review, we'll look at its standout features, current pricing tiers, what users praise, where it could improve, and who it's best for. Close is more than a typical CRM. It's a high-velocity sales engine, built-in communication, call, email, and text without leaving the CRM. Everything logs automatically, helping reps stay organized. Sales automation, automate follow-ups, call logging, and workflows infused with AI smarts to let your team sell, not scroll. Power and predictive dialers, call fast with real sales cadence tools, add voicemail drops, automated summaries, and AI call coaching. SMS and email sync, full two-way sync keeps all touchpoints connected and accessible. Templates, tracking, and texting tools are built in. Fast onboarding, most teams go from sign-up to first outreach within a day, and it loads 50% faster than legacy CRMs. Pricing, what it cost you. Solo $9 per month, up to 10,000 leads, email/call SMS built in, one user. Essentials, $35 per month, adds unlimited contacts, multiple pipelines, bulk email. Growth, $99 per month. Automation, power dialer, AI email assistant, voicemail drop, auto workflows. Scale, $139 per month. Role-based permissions, predictive dialer, unlimited recording, advanced coaching tools. All plans come with a 14-day free trial and no credit card required. What users love, all-in-one selling toolbox. Everything a rep needs in one window. No app switching. Boost productivity. Built-in dialers and automated follow-ups help reps work twice as fast. Fast setup. Teams get live quickly, often within a few hours. Transparent pricing. Clear tiers and shown features help with buying decisions. Where it falls short. Premium pricing. Even the intro tier starts at $9, and advanced tiers are steep for smaller teams. Limited custom flexibility. Less flexible in customization compared to Kanban CRMs or modular platforms. Occasional bugs. A few users report glitches in workflows and UI timing. Not built for non-sales use cases. It lacks marketing tools, proposals, or service workflows that may require add-ons. Close CRM is a powerhouse for fast-moving sales teams, especially outbound or SDR-heavy setups that need calling, texting, and emailing unified in one workspace. It's fast, smart, and powerful, but comes at a cost. If those outbound workflows are central to your selling process, it might pay for itself quickly. Close puts outreach at the center of your CRM, built for teams that live in their communications. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe for more honest tool breakdowns, and tell me in the comments what's the most time-consuming part of your sales workflow. Catch you in the next one.